QuickBooks Workforce app. So how to install it? So with this app, you can track time and view pay info. So here you can just install it like that. It's a very popular app for business. As you can see, over 100,000 ratings. Your team can clock in and out from anywhere. Employees can easily view pay stubs and tax information, know who is working and what they're working on, track projects and share updates with your team in real time, adjust schedules and approve timesheets when you are ready. QuickBooks Workforce, an app for QuickBooks Payroll and QuickBooks Time. Lets teams view pay info and track time in one place. Pay features are available to businesses that use QuickBooks Online Payroll and desktop payroll. So yeah, your company obviously needs to use that. But it's quite convenient that it's available also as iOS app. It's also quite good iOS app, well developed. You can just sign in with your scanning QR code, or you can just tap sign in, and then just sign in with your phone, email, user ID, and then also you can just set up. To get started, you will need to open the invite sent to you by text or email, scan the QR code provided by your company. If you're an admin, you can then just add team members here. So yeah, that's basically what it is. So give it a try.